Oh man, even though this is a little roach, this is a good thing. Oh, check it out. Yes, there has to be a dump here then, and I'm gonna have to go. This is a hit place, a flat on the hill I've never been. Man, look at this. I can straighten it. Yeah, I know you probably are thinking this is junk, but this ain't junk. Wow, I can put this on a piece of plywood. I'll get it out of here and show you later. I got a big piece of flat iron here in the hole. See what it was ringing up. Could be a horseshoe. I'll show you here before I extract it. It's right here. I don't know what this is. It could be anything awesome. Later. Alright, I'm down on it. Another horseshoe off this old farm. Man, it's in nice shape. All of them are. I've only found a couple broken ones. Look how just nice this is. Wow. And it's a way probably 1880s, 1870s, 1890s in that area from the coins. But around 1900 or a little before, like 20-25 years. Awesome find. But here, look here, got another find. Got a turtle shell here out in the middle of the woods. Huh. Little damage, but I can fix it. Almost looks like he was injured and then he healed back up again. See that? Well, anyway, later. Alright, I just got this little piece right there in this hole. I'm up close to that house. This looks like a brass piece that went on the end of the outside of a penknife or something. I'll get it cleaned up. I'd say that's what it is. Later. Alright, this was ringing up in the 70s, and I definitely know that other piece of silverware with the shell pattern on it came from around this house. It came from the houses down there, and it came from a creek right over there, over the hill. So there's more of this. Right here's a piece of it. See the shell on it right there? Ah, this one's broke too. It's just the bowl. And I don't know. I think this is silver. Look how it's coming out of the ground. I think it's old silver. I think it's just a little tarnished, but I think both of these are silver. Look, there's another one. With the shell pattern. Alright, later. I'm back. It's the next day. It's Saturday. My buzzer, my bell went off on my metal detector and it's broke. I can't figure. I took it apart and looked at the board. It seems alright. I'm gonna have to send it in to Garrett, but it works with the headphones and I'm out with it. But I got my first hit here. I'm up on a different hill today where I found many pre-1900 shotgun shells, and I'm trying to find more. And right here's my first hit. You can't hear the bell because I have on the headsets, but it's about a 40 to 43, and I saw 49 there and a 51, so I would say it's probably a shell. I'll get it out of here and I'll show you what it is later. Yeah, it's an old shell. It's really caked. I'll clean it off here with a brush and we'll see what it is later. Alright, this one has a chip out of the top of it up there, but this is the first one I've ever found that's Remington-UMC and has a star design in the middle. All the ones that I have a star design are just UMC company at the top. This would be after 1911, after Remington bought UMC. But I don't have this one. It's got a star right there in the middle. I'll show you pictures later. Alright, I thought I better show you this. I got it uncovered. It was a shallow hit, but it's a big piece of iron, and I'm way out in the woods. It's too hard in there. I'm going to have to dig it out. I can't pull it out with my hand, so I'll show you when I get it out later. Alright, man, folks, I tell you what, I can't even believe it. I just got another really early iron axe. It's bent at the back. That's why I couldn't tell what it was, but man, check it out, folks. And that's old style. Oh, man. It's got some, it looks like it's been hit real hard back here, but man, another axe. Whew. This is coming out, the glass that's, look down here where I've been digging some holes. I'm just working, I fill these all in. I left this open so I could come over here and show you. Look at all the glass in the ground here. And this is really old, thick glass. Look at that. There's a lot of it here. There's piles of rocks. You see them over there with all the moss growing on them. There's more stuff here than what I thought walking in here. Man, another axe. This is one, two. This is like the fourth axe I found in like a month. But I've been detecting a lot. This is pretty cool. Well, anyway, later. I'm right around where I found that sign, just over the hill, just by a rock pile, and I found an old casing and it's stamped. I'll show it on cleanup. It's gonna be pretty legible. I'm not gonna clean it up right now. Later. Alright, right over there is where I got that other casing. Right there where that hole, that grounds to serve. Right up along this log, got another one, same hunter. I'll show them both now after this. Later. They're old ones. They've been here. They were deep. Later. Yeah, I got a nice Peters. It says Peters at the top, and these were made in Cincinnati, Ohio, in the early 1900s, late 1800s. It says Target at the bottom. I don't think I have this one. That's a good one. I'm close to Cincinnati. I like these Peters shells. I'm trying to get all of them, and this is the only hill I find them on. And man, I found a Peters smokeless one, like all kinds of other Peters ones with the P like around the pin fire, and now this Target one. This is awesome. Later. Alright, got another Peters shell, and it's different. Peters at the top, 12 gauge, and high gun at the bottom. I think I only have one other one of these. These are going to look awesome in a display. I'm trying to build them up. I've got a bunch now, but I want to do a giveaway, so with one set of them, so doing pretty good today. You know, I'm multi-texting, can't arrowhead hunt because the river's just sky high, but I like these Peters shells. That's what I'm kind of looking for. Plus I got a sun and an axe, and who knows what else. Later. Well, I got to carry this thing. I'm gonna put on a glove and carry it with my hand through that little hole there on my side. It's gonna be rough carrying this a couple miles out of the woods, but I'll make it. Get it home, get it cleaned up. It's double-sided too. Later. Alright, I'm heading through this raspberry patch again. You can see these things are just, whoo. Well, anyway, I got home, got cleaned up, took a shower, drank a whole pot of coffee, rested up a little bit. watched some Sports Center, and now I'm going back up a hill. I got 3 or 4 hours of good looking, going up around that old foundation where I found earlier in the video. You'll see a spoon bowl. It's like a scallop design on the back of it. Found that up there last night, and then the bell went out of my detector and I didn't have headphones. Luckily the headphones work. Should be using them anyway. But anyway, I got it working. Had to come off the hill, so I had to cut the hunt the first time up here short. This is also where I found the axe and the Indian head pennies, the nice ones. The last 1876 is an awesome one. It's beautiful. But I'll get up in here and start digging some more holes. I'm back at it. It's still Saturday. I'm hammering it today. Hopefully I can get an old coin for the video too. But thanks for watching. I'll do my best to get something else up in here. Later. I got another antler here, but man, this one's chewed up. This was a good example of that. Look where the mice and squirrels and chipmunks and stuff just come up and just nailed it. That looks like the other one to that one I found earlier in the year, one of the first ones laying on that path. It might be. This is on the opposite side of the hill, but man, they really worked this one over. Later. Yeah, let me show you what this is ringing up. Finally got something cool. Got a big horseshoe and it looks whole. I'm sorry the bell's off. The bell went off in my detector, but the headphones work. Let me get it to where it's... It was giving me in a 30s a repeating, so I dug it, and it's a horseshoe. Okay, here I got it partially exposed. It has to be way over 100 years old if it's up here. Oh, it's in real nice shape too. I'm on a real good drained area. Oh wow, this is a good one. Look how nice this one is. Wow. Boy, that's in good shape. It's a real thin one. Look how old that is. Real nice old shoe. It's pre-1900, that's for sure, on this place. Well, anyway, another good find. I'm digging some iron targets. You can see, oh, I'm in the middle of the woods and you can see this brick in the ground. But I got another lizard, another salamander. Man, he's a fat one too. There's lots of these in the ground. We're gonna put him down in there. There he goes. Look at him go down in his hole. We're gonna cover him up so he don't freeze tonight. Well, I'll get on to the next target later. Alright, well I got one of these flowers to take home. It's a shame they're way out in the woods where nobody can see them, so I'm going to get one. Boy, they're heavy with the root balls. I carried that sign out, now I got to carry this down this damn hill. I'm whipped. I didn't find nothing else, but I'm whipped today. That'll be it for this video. Hope you enjoy some cool stuff. Later.